Hey folks, I want to tell you about a new listing we have, and this is a turnkey business with over 4 acres of real estate right on the South Service Road of I-70, or about a mile and a half east of Columbia. Great visibility, great access, and as the sign says, they're selling tractor trailers here, and they do body and paint work. They've got a showroom with accessories for retail sales, turnkey business, over 4 acres, great visibility. If you're looking to do something different, or if you're already in this line of work, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. Eric Merchant, Trophy Properties and Auction, 314-541-1218. Give me a call.